Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Governor Hope Uzodinma, the Imo State governor, is one governor that has made his open dislike and antagonism against Biafra actualization very open. He has never hidden his intention that he neither wants Biafra or IPOB manifesting itself in Imo State. Ever since Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, has been in detention in Nigeria, he has been very silent over his release, and the sit-at-home order generally has been one thing Governor Hope Uzodinma has vehemently tried to curb and bring to barest minimum. Well, right now Governor Hope Uzodinma seem to have I won't call it aligning, but it looks like there's some things within the within his archives, under his shelves, that he's about to reveal. But before we go into the news proper, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, Imo State Governor Senator Hope Uzodinma has hinted that his administration is talking with the secessionist leaders with a view of finding solutions to the insecurity in the state. Answering questions from correspondents after President Muhammadu Buhari's visit in Aso Villa, that's in Abuja, Wednesday, he was, however, reluctant to disclose what manner of discussions were being held or with whom. Speaking in parables, he affirmed that not all talks could be undertaken openly. Whether asked whether there was any negotiation with the indigenous people of Biafran leader, that's Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that's IPOB, he responded, the management of crime can be likened to the relationship between husband and wife. It's not everything they do to keep peace that are discussed at the sitting room. Discussion in the bedroom produces better results than the one in the living room. Take it. I think I have spoken. The governor said that the sit-at-home order by indigenous people of Biafra has been politicized, saying that the opposition raises false alarm about people being killed just to cause confusion. He stated, and I quote, the sit-at-home order is also being politicized because those issuing the order are faceless. We have not seen either through newspapers or through broadcast or directing people to sit at home. Rather, what we know that is happening is this paparazzi mentality of trying to put fear in our people and make innocent people vulnerable. As I speak to you, the sit-at-home order is not being obeyed in Imo State. I continue with the news. He said apart from last Monday, when according to him there was restriction of movement as a result of the Izumbe bringing down and chaotic movement in the state, the people have been going about their normal businesses. According to him, and I quote, so I think we need to support the uninformed so that they don't, out of fear, commit suicide. So the truth of the matter is that we have security challenges, we had misunderstanding, disagreement, but we are able to also do a lot to bring these things to a barest minimum. So the security situation in Imo State is relatively okay, and people are going about their businesses. The only regret is that we have invested a lot of money trying to manage insecurity, which of course was not expected. The governor said he was at the presidential villa to thank President Buhari for his visit to the state, where he commissioned some projects implemented by the present administration. This is serious. So now we're going to go through some comments. Of course, a lot of people are hampering on that fact where he said that the sit-at-home order is no more a sacrosanct in Imo State, that in fact people are going about their duties normally. That's just a case of propaganda. We're going to go through some comments now. Here, this no particular order. This one here is saying Hope Uzodinma is not saying the truth unless he's talking to strange people. Who are the leaders Hope Uzodinma is talking about? Any talk without Nnamdi Kanu is total waste of time. Just disregard that. People are already getting angry. This one here is saying whoever that does not want peace in Igbo land in general for political gain will never know peace in his or her life. This one here is saying which project did Buhari commission? the fake projects. God forbid, oh, this is serious. This one here is saying only solution is to conduct a referendum to enable people know where to belong, either in Biafra or in Nigeria. This one here is saying Uzodinma the damn Fulani. Which one is damn Fulani again? You look, oh my God. This one here is saying people lie without conscience to fear. This is serious. Oh. This one here is saying from your statement you invested so much in insecurity. This is serious. So, okay, Nigerians are actually tackling Governor Hope Uzodinma here. This is from your statement, you invested a lot of money trying to manage insecurity. Shows that security votes cannot be spent where there is peace. Therefore, something must have happened so that claim and counterclaims of security votes. Claiming that it is the opposition that is amplifying the news of insecurity is another lie. APC is known for violence. In Ebonyi State, insecurity started immediately Umahidi came to APC. Imo State insecurity started immediately Supreme Court made you a governor. Anambra State insecurity has come because APC and Andy Oba want to govern Anambra by all means and at all costs. Anambra people should not forget the story of Chris Oba and Chris Ngige, godfather and son, in sharing what belongs to Anambra State through Okija Shrine. This will tell you whether Oba family mean well for Anambra people or not. Whoa. So as you can see now, a lot of persons, based on what people are saying on social media, a lot of persons are actually calling out Hope Uzodinma that this issue he's saying about insecurity, or that the state is just the insecurity is actually politicized. You can see that the people are actually calling him out, saying that the sit at home. A lot of persons have noticed that, especially in Owerri, there seem to be a lot of people staying back at home. And yes, you may say that there may be movement here and there, but it's not as busy as the regular days in normal days of the week, like on Tuesdays, on Wednesdays, and every other day. But on Mondays, yes, there may be one or two movements, but it's not as free as every other day. Now that clearly shows that the Igbos are generally watching. There's no way you say sit at home order is no more obeyed, because a lot of videos, you will agree with me that a lot of videos showing the sit at home order has been, yes, maybe it's not as stringent as the beginning, but people usually don't open shops that much. Banks are always closed, private businesses are always closed, schools are always closed. So if these major businesses are closed and probably just the state government workers, local government workers go to work. Even the buses are very scanty. The tricycle riders are scanty. But you can't compare the level of activities on Mondays in Southeast to that of every other day. That's to tell you that whether you like it or yes, sit at home order is still being observed and also effective. That's where we're going to wrap it up. Let's meet in our comment section. Please, what's your take? Do have a nice